Hello, this is Joe from Live Automation. In today's video, we will be covering how to set up logging on a Monitouch V10 series HMI using VSOF 6. Let's start by uploading an application from an HMI, which is currently controlling a Fuji Electric Frenic Mini VFD. With that uploaded, we will go to System Setting and Logging Server. Click Add, then Complete. And we now have a new logging block. We want to log in real time, so we are going to set it to constant cycle and make sure the logging time is set to 0, so it is recording every process cycle. Now we will set the logging server to record the input power from the VFD. Now hit Complete to save the configuration. Next, let's set up a trend graph. Go to Parts, Trend Graph, and Place. Now, double-click to open Detail Settings. For this, we will use Historical Display and Graph Display. Next, to Data Acquisition, make sure you're using the logging block you just created. Now, in Graph Setting, I want to set it to 400 points to take up half the screen, and set a max value on the y-axis of 1000. Click Finish to save. Now, let's resize the graph. Select, use the red square, bring down. It is now a usable size. Further customization of a trend part will be covered in future content. Now, let's transfer this down to the HMI. Start by going to Transfer, then Download. See that selected USB, and then the Transfer button. And now, using VNC, we can see the trend graph in action. Let's set a Hertz, and then forward, stop, reverse, stop, forward, stop. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the subscribe button to make sure you don't miss when new content drops.